अपने विद्यार्थियों की उत्कृष्ट शैक्षणिक उपलब्धियों को सम्मानित करने की। Yes, the time for efficiency award. It means the best performance of the students among 3 sections. Here are the students जिन्होंने गत वर्ष 2023-24 में अपनी पूर्व कक्षा में कड़ी मेहनत का प्रदर्शन कर वह स्थान बनाया है ताकि वह आज हमारे प्रेरणा स्रोत हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथि से पुरस्कृत हो सके। I would like to request all the parents to please stay and join us till the last of the event. Yes, here is the efficiency award ceremony. I would like to request Honorable Professor Shri Ram Shankar ji, Kulguru sir and Principal ma'am to come on the stage to give away the prizes. And would like to request or call all the efficiency award children to come near the stage. I will announce the name. Parents will come along with their wards on the stage to receive the prizes. Advika Agrawal, Shivagya, Shravya Mishra, Vaishnavi, Akshansh Divedi. I request the parents along with their children to come near the stage and to come up on the stage. Yatharth Sambhav Shukla, Priyal Chauhan, Shivansh Chaturvedi, Shubhnandan Shrivastava, जोरदार तालियां इन बच्चों की कड़ी मेहनत के लिए। आयांश बुनकर,
अरे राजा,
अंशुमान गौतम, आन्या शुक्ला. They are the students of nursery in previous year. Class LKG, आद्या मिश्रा, वेदांशी मिश्रा, कल्पित बर्मन, तालियां बजाते रहिए। हर बच्चे का मनोबल आपकी तालियों से बढ़ता है, बच्चे उत्साहित होते हैं। सूर्य नारायण सिंह, वेदांत सोलंकी, अन्वी जायसवाल, कृतिका सिंह, It's my humble request to each and everyone, those who are sitting here, please put your hands together for our children. See your children in these children. Thank you. तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट अभी भी कम है। अविरल गौतम, स्वास्तिक गुप्ता, सौम्या सिंह, तालियां। हर बच्चे के अवार्ड मिलने के बाद आप प्लीज़ बजाएं। I would like to request our parents that from where they are coming on the stage, they will go down from the stage from the next way. मैं अनुरोध करूंगी पेरेंट्स से कि वो जिस तरफ से आ रहे हैं उस तरफ से उतरकर नहीं, दूसरी तरफ से उतरकर जाएं। I would like to request Pratibha ma'am to please intimate the parents from where they have to go. Yes, they have to go from this staircase. Thank you, ma'am. ये बच्चे आपकी तालियों के हकदार हैं। इन्होंने पूरे वर्ष कड़ी मेहनत करी है सिर्फ आज के दिन के लिए। मयंक सिंह, वियान केसरवानी, शौर्य गुप्ता, ज्योत्सना दुबे, त्रिशिका। फिर अनुरोध करूंगी तालियों के लिए। बच्चे ऊर्जावान हैं, वो अभी तक खुश हैं, मगर तालियों में थोड़ी कमी है। आगे बेटे। अफराज अहमद, प्रियांशी राव, रुद्र नारायण मडाली, शैल शुक्ला, थैंक यू पेरेंट्स। यशस्वी दुबे, क्लास 1, रूहानी असवानी,
सुना, लाइट को सीधी कर देना उनके तरफ, नहीं पास नहीं, सीधी कर देना और दे दे।
प्रभव सिंह बघेल, अनिरुद्धधर दुबे, मैं अनुरोध करूंगी अपने पेरेंट्स से कि अभी बस लास्ट इवेंट के बाद ही जाएं। आद्विकधर दुबे, आरव यादव, नौम्या कुमारी, आयुष पांडे, श्रेष्ठ अग्रवाल।
लाइट ठीक आ रही और 5 मिनट स्टार्ट है। फ्लैश लगा के देखो, नहीं वो ठीक है, लाइट तो बस उसके पास में है।
सादिया फातिमा, प्रगति राव, ईशान शाह। Please put your hands together to acknowledge their hard work. उदिता विश्वकर्मा, ऋषिका शर्मा, रोहित राज, शौर्य साहू। कृपया ताली बजाते रहें। हर बच्चा उतना ही वैल्यूबल है हमारे लिए जितना आपका खुद का बच्चा। हर बच्चे में अपने बच्चे की छवि देखें और उसको तालियों के माध्यम से उत्साहित करें। क्लास 5th मयंक राज, अंश राज, मान्यता द्विवेदी।
उसके बैटरी कहाँ रखे हैं?
Now I am going to announce the name of the best performers from class 6 to 12th. Class 6th Mayank Singh, Aryan Gupta, Ayushman Singh, Shraddha Agrawal. I would like to request to those parents come along with their wards near the stage.
स्लैब में लगा, स्लैब से हटा ले।
प्रियेश पांडे, शैली रौतेल, अक्षर पटेल, कीर्ति सिंह of class 7th. सृष्टि गौतम, श्री तिवारी, आकृति सिंह। जुनैद शेख, प्रतिमा सोनी, तनुश्री गुप्ता। Please put your hands together. Class 12th Commerce of session 2023-24. Zunaid has selected for Olympiad at national level. दिव्यांशु सोनी, उज्जवल पयासी,
तीन बार गए।
and Akshita Mishra. Class 11th Commerce of Session 2023-24, Shubh Gupta, Rashmi Mishra, Niharika Kevat, Anjali Dwivedi. दिव्यांश कौर, शुभी शुक्ला, स्वर्या तिवारी। संसार गौतम, अंकिता रस्तोगी, ऋचा वर्मा। सावन सराफ, यशस्वी सिंह परस्ते, यश केसरवानी, क्लास 12th कॉमर्स सेशन 2023-24। क्लास 12th बायोलॉजी, इशिता शाह, मयंक कुमार राठौर, शैली मारावी। अक्षय जायसवाल, अक्षय जायसवाल, क्लास 12th मैथ्स सेशन 2023-24 for his best performance, and he cracked JEE and recently in IIT Roorkee. सिद्धार्थ सिंह बरगाही, he has cracked JEE and recently in IIT Dhanbad. सिद्धार्थ चौधरी, Siddharth Chaudhary, if he is present or his parents is present, they can come on the stage to receive the award. Now, we have our children, those who have given excellent performance in sports. Yes, Lakshya Batra. Lakshya Batra, he is a school national player in basketball. If his parents is here, they can collect their award. Shanvi Soni, International Lati event, she got silver medal. Saksham Gupta, जोरदार तालियां सानवी के लिए। Saksham Gupta is selected in school national basketball. Thank you, children. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Your gracious presence on the stage is remarkable. Blessings to our students. Now I would like to call our honorable guest, now I would like to request our honorable guest, Professor राम शंकर जी, जिन्हें राज्य मंत्री का दर्जा प्राप्त है, आपकी उपस्थिति हमारे महर्षि प्रांगण में बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है। I would like to request our honorable guest to please come on the dais and shower your blessings on us.
Principal Madam, Dr. Srivastav ji, all the honorable teachers of this wonderful institution, and the brilliant young students from MVM. In fact, when I came here, it was me who felt blessed to have been invited on the occasion. As the program continued, one after the other, sterling performances. If I may recount, my own emotions as I went through the wonderful performances by the children of this great school. Initially, one saw innocence. Those small children, innocent faces, noble souls written all over their countenance. And as we progressed, the performances started getting more and more meaningful. And frankly speaking, I was stunned by the serious nature of the themes that the children had picked up for their various performances. They presented to us a glittering panorama of Indian culture and rich heritage. In fact, I was sitting there and thinking that it would have been great to have these performances at my own institution, that is Pandit Shambhunath Shukla Vishwavidyalaya. They were so meaningful. So many of the themes touched by these youngsters. Of course, they had their teachers behind them as their prerna. Some of the themes were really, they have been agitating me for such a long time. Professor Adarsh Tiwari ji will bear me out that I have been very, very worried by the sort of screen time that our children are spending these days. When I visit my two campuses, and then I find that students are doing tapasya in their screens, it's really very disheartening. It's very disheartening. But then, to find young kids showing a mirror to the world, कि ये परिणाम हो रहा है इसका, and so well orchestrated that particular act was that I have requested your principal madam that if sometime those children could come to our two campuses and perform that very act, it would be great. I mean, it would be an obligation on us by this wonderful and great school. Not just that. As you went through the panorama of the various presentations, I was awestruck, let me tell you. The performances from our mythology, the performances from our great Shastras, absolutely awesome. Well, that is why I say I felt blessed being a part of this whole celebration. And what a celebration, what a celebration. Where I found a wonderful mix of pure, noble energy, spiritual energy. And then the vibrance of youth. And not just that, the depth of intellect. The way that you look at things. Our society is facing a myriad problems these days. Our nation is facing a myriad problems these days. But then when you see young kids, not just being aware of the problems, the situations that beset our society, our country, not just that, but it appears that they have got a very, very deep understanding about all that. I mean, such young kids, such wisdom. This is Vilakshan. This is something, unfortunately, that at times, I have no hesitation in saying that even in my own institution, I find it sadly missing. So that is why it was with deep satisfaction that I sat here for the full 4 or even 4.5 hours. It's a long time. And yes, I will tell you that I had several engagements today. But then again, it was my proud privilege to cancel all of them. I say it was my proud privilege. Because being a part of this celebration, being a part of this soulfulness, being a part of this youthful wisdom, all these are rare things, I was transported to my own school days when we used to perform on stage and then we used to come over here. Your school captain, he came effortlessly, flawless delivery. Never even looked at a script or anything. Such talent has got to be appreciated and appreciated very deeply. Okay? And it also was in certain ways, what should I say? It was a vindication of sorts, Vindication how? Because now I am sure that our country is in very safe hands. It is these children who are going to grow up and take up various responsibilities at various places in society, in the country. They will be leading the country. They will be tackling the problems that our nation faces. I feel secure, I feel very secure. I feel very happy. And let me take occasion to congratulate Madam Principal and all you teachers. Because let me tell you, such an ambience is simply not possible without dedication, hard work, and wisdom of all you teachers. So a huge round of applause for yourself. There is one more thing that has struck me whenever I visited this institution. The first time I believe I visited last year, around this time only. And the moment that I entered the campus, my spiritual radar, it picked up the vibes. It picked up a certain aura that is rarely there whenever I visit places. I understand. You see, our existence as human beings, normally, we tend to understand as a physical existence, mostly. And we go through our whole lives, from birth till death, performing all the monkey gymnastics. ये कैरियर है, ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा स्टेटस है, ये मेरा पद है, ये मेरा पैसा है. ये सब कुछ जो भौतिक हमको और आपको दिखता है, आज तो विज्ञान भी ये कहने लगा है कि ये सब मिथ्या है. मेरे ख्याल से जो यहाँ विज्ञान के शिक्षक बैठे होंगे, वो निश्चित तौर पर जो एडवांसेस हमारे यहाँ, जो रिसर्चेस that are taking place along the frontiers of physics and science, they'll vindicate. I'll clarify for the sake of those who may not be knowing it. ये जितना कुछ दृष्टव्य जगत है, whatever we see, whatever we feel, जिसको हम पदार्थ रूपेण जगत कहते हैं, the material world, what does it constitute of? It constitutes of, कोई भी पदार्थ होगा, material होगा, एंड व्हेन यू ब्रेक इट डाउन तो उसकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट यूनिट क्या पता चलती है? मोस्ट ऑफ अस साइंस वाले जानते होंगे, एटम, राइट? दैट इज वन फंडामेंटल यूनिट. If you break down that atom, what it comes to? There is an electron, and then there is proton, and then there is neutron, right? You break the protons and neutrons, and what comes? What is there? There are quarks, mesons, Higgs boson, further small particles of the size of perhaps the electron. But then when you break even that further, what is there? Erwin Schrödinger, a leading physicist of the last century, he wrote somewhere, he said, for 37 years I have researched on material, पदार्थ पर हमने शोध किया, only to find out after 37 years that it does not exist. So my dear friends, जब आप उस मीज़ॉन को, उस क्वार्क को, उस इलेक्ट्रॉन को फर्दर स्प्लिट करते हैं, you find nothing. What is there? There is only an energy field. There is vibration, vibrational energy. That's all. So ultimately, do you realize that we are actually constituted out of nothing? So whatever material to which we are so attached, और कितना इसको भाव देते हैं हम लोग, आप सोचिए जरा, तो ये तो है ही नहीं. Then what is? There is another level of existence, and that is consciousness, चैतन्य पदार्थ. आज से नहीं, हमारे मनीषियों ने, ऋषियों मुनियों ने तो हजारों वर्ष पहले, सहस्त्राब्दियों पहले बताया था कि चैतन्य ही मूल है, यही है. पदार्थ तो सिर्फ एक मिथ्या भाव है जिससे हम माया है. आज वही चीज साइंस बता रहा है हमको, आपको, तो हमको स्मरण आता है कि अरे साहब, हमारे यहाँ तो कब से ये चीज कह दी गई थी. एंड दैट इज फंडामेंटल, दिस कॉन्शियसनेस. आवर कॉन्शियस एग्जिस्टेंस इज द फंडामेंटल थिंग. एंड हाउ डू वी रीच दैट? One of the most trusted methods of reaching it is ध्यान. जब आप ध्यान करते हैं तो पदार्थ के रूप में आपका अस्तित्व शून्य हो जाता है. यहाँ तक कि जो विचार होते हैं, जो पदार्थ से संबंधित होते हैं, वो भी शून्य हो जाते हैं. जब आप उस शून्य में पहुँचते हो तब आपकी एक खिड़की खुलती है. That is the window to consciousness. So anyone who sits in meditation, of course, ये एक तपश्चर्या है, ये आसान नहीं है. बच्चों में ये बहुत आसान है क्योंकि they don't carry baggage. हमारा आपका दिमाग तो कैल्सिफाई हो गया है. जो पीनियल ग्लैंड होता है, जिसको स्पिरिचुअल पावर की सीट कहते हैं, दैट इज कैल्सिफाइड. कैल्शियम की एक मोटी सी परत उसके ऊपर जम गई है, एंड दैट इज वाई our access to consciousness is very difficult, because we carry that baggage of karma on our heads, and it is very difficult to offload that. तो इसलिए सतत प्रैक्टिस से आप उस अवस्था को प्राप्त हो सकते हैं. इस भूमि का ऑरा क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ बच्चे उस तपस्या में रत रहते हैं. They are trained into meditation. महर्षि की असीम कृपा है गुरुदेव की. एक और चीज समझ लीजिए, ये जो प्रताप होता है ना इन स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर्स का, इन गुरुओं का, ये आपको क्या लगता है कि महर्षि आज यहाँ विद्यमान नहीं है? इसी प्रांगण में उनका चैतन्य प्रवाहित है. आप उस जो मध्य में तस्वीर लगी है उसको देखिए. एक अनवरत श्रृंखला है ऐसे चैतन्य महानुभावों की, ये कहीं नहीं गए, दे आर ऑल देयर विद यू. ऑल दैट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू ट्यून इन टू देम. देखिए रेडियो कैसे पकड़ता है गाने, सारी फ्रीक्वेंसीज तो तैर रही है, लेकिन जब आप उसको ट्यून करते हैं, एंड व्हेन देयर इज रेजोनेंस between the external frequencies and the internal frequency, तब वो पकड़ लेता है और गाने प्रवाहित होने लगते हैं. ठीक उसी तरह से all these frequencies, ultimately तो it is nothing but frequencies. तो अल्टीमेटली ये जो चैतन्य प्रवाहित है फ्रीक्वेंसी रूप में, आपको इसको ट्यून इन करना पड़ेगा. और हमारे बच्चे, बड़ी अच्छी बात है, बहुत आत्मिक संतुष्टि इस बात से होती है कि हमारे और आपके यहाँ के बच्चे जो हैं ये उस ट्यूनिंग अभ्यस्त हो चुके हैं. आपने ही ट्रेन किया होगा. यू डिज़र्व कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट, कि आपने उनको उन मूल बातों पर ला करके अवस्थित किया. अन्यथा बच्चों का दिमाग तो बड़ा चंचल होता है, इधर से उधर भागता रहता है, लेकिन आपने ये ट्रेनिंग उनको दिया, इस विधा में उनको पारंगत किया, जिसको हम ध्यान कहते हैं, उनके मूल अस्तित्व से उनको परिचित कराया. एक तरह से कह सकते हैं उन्हें आत्म साक्षात्कार का अवसर प्रदान किया. आप वरेण्य हैं, आप धन्य हैं. इस संस्था में आपने मुझे बुलाया, ये मेरा सौभाग्य. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing us with your valuable words, time, and presence. We are privileged to have you as our chief guest today, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So I request everyone present here to wait for the national anthem. As you all have enjoyed and graced the performance, I want everybody to join us in national anthem too. So before this, as we come to conclude this joyous occasion, I stand before you today on behalf of the entire school community for making this event such a resounding success.
यही खड़े हो.
For their dedication, presence and participation to make this annual day celebration a memorable and successful event. Now to honor the spirit of our nation, let us all stand together in your respective seat for the national anthem.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की.